Alright, we're going to do a quick video this morning on just how to move the chicken tractor. First thing I got to do is get the feeders out, move the bucket off the top. We'll let up the wheels on the back so that it rolls smoothly, and we'll just slide it forward the length of the tractor. Here we go.
Here we go. We got those wheels from Amazon. I'll have a link in the description. If you want to pick some of those up, they make things really easy. As you can see, these little birds, they're ready to move forward. Get them some new grass to peck on. I have a chicken on my camera, so if it gets moved around, that is why. Alright, so the wheels are up, everything's out, and we'll just slide her forward. I usually I set the bucket at the front corner so that when I can see the buckets at the back corner, I know I've been far enough. Just like that. And I don't have a mic on. Just realized it. That's okay. We'll do her again tomorrow. That's how we move our chicken tractor.